Nala girl loves water, and she's been having a fit because we won't let her go to it. So let's see what she does.
Fish?
What?
Is that fish over there?
I thought I saw some. Yeah, it is a fish. There's fish in there. Huh. I'd go swimming in that. Maverick's gonna get a drink. Maverick and Jax aren't really water dogs. But Nala girl. Can't believe she's not already in it. There she goes. She's like, ah. In South Dakota, off of Highway 14A. We are out in Spearfish. Talk about pretty. Very pretty.